Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically collaborate on an Instagram story on, well, Instagram of course. So for instance, somebody mentioned you on their story, you're just going to select your messenger, like the message button. Then you're going to select the mentioned you in their story, and you're going to select add to your story here. And then you're just going to simply select your story. And then if you go back and selected your story, I'm just going to go to my profile. Select your story. And then you'll see that you've collaborated with that person on Instagram. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!